Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a quick and easy recipe for a classic chocolate cake. Ingredients: 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix well to combine. Add the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix on medium speed with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes until the batter is well combined. Reduce the mixer speed to low and slowly pour in the boiling water. Mix until the water is fully incorporated into the batter. The batter will be thin, but that's normal. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then, transfer the cakes to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cakes are completely cooled, you can frost and decorate them as desired. You can use chocolate frosting, buttercream frosting, or any other frosting of your choice. Slice and serve the delicious chocolate cake. Enjoy your homemade chocolate cake. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.